Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 photos disappearing issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here click on gallery. And then scroll down and go to its storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of gallery app. Now click on delete to confirm and go back to your home screen. Now open My Files app and then click on this three dot more icon. Now click on settings and here you will see a show hidden system files button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it back on.